Welcome to Odoo Gates. How to add custom add-ons or custom modules in Odoo16. Basically, when we install Odoo in our operating system and create new database, we only have default add-ons or base add-ons. If we need any customization or any development, we need to create custom add-ons and also give path in Odoo configuration file. I have created my add-ons directory and I paste my HR reminder module in this directory. Now we check this module is appeared in custom add-ons or not. First we have update app list and search this module. Sorry, HR reminder module. No, this module is not appear because this module path are not added in Odoo configuration file. First we have to copy the absolute path from custom add-ons or my add-ons directory and paste it in add-on path. Now restart the server and reload the browser. Click on update apps list. If you do not update app list, the module is not appear in add-ons. First update the app list. Now copy module name and search here. I successfully added the custom add-ons in Odoo database. Thank you for watching this video. Good night. Take care.